couple cool things to show. Now I'm not gonna show too much of this time. I'll put the links below because I toured them before. But they have this like Forest Service Center, and then they have the Florida Cattlemen's Foundation Museum. So I did a full tour of that before. But I'll just peek in here quickly and show you. This changes every year too. Actually, you know what? I might just do a. This is a lot more cooler this time. They have a lot more stuff. Maybe maybe I'll put this all and do one whole video on this. I will walk you around. Look at this thing. So I don't remember all this equipment. This is the Oshkosh R11 tender. That's cool. There's all the different equipment the Forestry Service uses. Look how big that thing is. Now, I filmed this a bit before, but they have some more nicer equipment this time, I think. Here's a... What is this? Oh, there it is. This is a 1997 Stewart and Stevenson light medium tactical vehicle. That is cool. How big that thing is. They have a lot of nice stuff here this time. Well, they had cool stuff before, but I'm pretty sure I don't remember all this. Oh, look, they have a helicopter. That's cool. This is a Bell UH-1. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I saw this in the way. I looked at like a little virtual reality thing. That's cool. Maybe I'll get in the helicopter in a little bit. Kind of cool information signs. This is basically like a museum in itself. That's cool. This is a 1947 Power Wagon, Type 6 Wildland engine. That's cool. And this is interesting. Yeah. Oh, look at this old vehicle. This is a 1923 Model T. That's really cool. Model Ts like this one was once used for wildfire suppression. They came equipped with a 50-gallon water tank, console rake, shovel, and fire flap. Cruising speed 30 miles an hour, top speed is 45. Nice little camping setup. Got a fake fire, a nice big pine cones around. Look, a big version of Smokey. Look at that thing right there. That's cool too. Everything's cool here. Sign on what this thing is. Like I said before I've been in here, they didn't have as much equipment. At least I didn't think so. This is an all-track. That's where you go into the Cattleman Museum, but I did do a full video there before.
So we were on the west slope of Sierra Nevada, about 20.
That's a fine line plow.
Yeah, fire.
And that's a medium crawler tractor. Doesn't look too medium to me. That thing looks huge. There's a 1961 crawler tractor. There's a boat. This is a 2020 B&H airboat. That's cool. And this is a tractor transport. Alright, this is really interesting. I'm glad I came in here. I almost wasn't going to do it, but I noticed all this different equipment. I thought, you know what, I'm going to come in here and film it. I didn't think they had much difference from before. Alright, cool. I might see about getting that helicopter. There's not too much of a line. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to show you, and then I'm not going to embarrass myself trying to film myself getting in here. Look at that thing. Look at those controls. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna pass the camera to someone else, have them take the picture, because it's gonna be tight to get in here. All right.